Maricopa Police Department. This is how can I help you?
Hey, I'm at North and McNeil Street.
Can you spell that street name for me, sir?
Say it again.
Can you spell that street name for me, please?
Mac, M-A-C-N-E-I-L Street. Homestead.
And what's going on, sir?
Nobody's listening to me. I'm about to put a bullet in my head.
No one's listening to you, and
No.
Dean?
Yeah.
Okay, it's obviously
How do you know my name is Dean?
What?
How do you know my name is Dean?
What's going on, sir?
How do you know my name is Dean?
I heard your voicemail.
Okay.
What's going on today? Dean, what's going on today?
I'm not looking to hurt any cops, okay?
I totally understand.
I'm not looking to hurt any cops.
Okay. Are you able just to stay on the phone with me even if you don't want to talk?
Well, if you keep asking stupid questions, I will hang up.
Okay. What do you want to talk about?
What?
Where's your gun right now, Dean? My officers want to know.
It's on my tailgate, on top of my tailgate, right by my right hand.
Okay.
And I am right-handed.
Okay. Are you able to kind of move away from it? Just so when my officers see you?
No, fuck no. No, fuck no.
Okay. Is there a reason why?
Because I've had enough.
Okay. Can you stay on the line without disconnecting and we don't have to talk if you just stay on the line?
No, just bring them. Bring them motherfuckers. Just bring them.
Are you going to be
Let's see what's gonna
confrontational?
happen. Probably.
Why?
If they hurt me, I'm going to be confrontational.
We're here to
Tell them
help
not to
you,
hurt
Dean.
me.
We're here to help you.
I don't fucking think so.
Okay, why not? At this point, Dean, we're just here to make sure you're okay.
Just bring these motherfuckers in.
Okay.
Bring them in right now.
Where do you want them to meet you?
Right out in front of my fucking pickup.
Okay. Are you able to at least keep your hands by your side?
I will keep my hands in front of me.
Okay. Okay, can I just keep you on the phone with me until you see officers?
Probably not. What?
Okay, what's going on now, Dean? Are you able to put your hands up?
No. Is there cops next to me?
They're in the area. They just want to make sure everything's safe before they approach you.
Tell them to quit being pussies.
Dean, that's not what this is about. This is to make sure everyone stays safe.
Tell them to quit being pussies. Are they to my right or are they to my left? Tell me that.
I can't tell you what direction they're coming from.
There we go. Let's do this. Let's do this.
What is that? Dean, what does that mean?
Come on. Come on, motherfucker. Come on, motherfucker.
Dean, do you see them?
Come on. Yeah, I fucking see him.
Okay.
Come on. Let's do this.
Are you...
Come on. Come on. Come on. My hands are up. You want to fucking shoot me? You back up, bitch. Come on. Back up. Back up. Hey.
Hey, hands!
My hands are up. You want to
Stop! Back up! Back up!
Back up! You better fucking back
back up.
I'm doing this.
Hey! Shots fired, shots fired. You okay? Stay on the ground.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
See your hands!
Back up! Back up!